Welcome to Yala Hair Salon. Let's explore the benefits of the full lace hair system compared to the skin-based hair system. The full lace hair system offers unmatched breathability. Made from fine lace, it allows your scalp to breathe, reducing heat buildup and ensuring maximum comfort. In contrast, the skin-based hair system, though realistic in appearance, can trap heat and moisture, causing discomfort. The full lace hair system creates a natural-looking hairline and allows for versatile styling, including updos and any parting direction. Ideal for those with active lifestyles, sensitive scalps, or anyone seeking a natural appearance, the full lace hair system is perfect for you. At Yala Hair Salon, we provide personalized solutions tailored to your needs. Let our experienced stylists guide you in choosing the best system. Book your free consultation at Yala Hair Salon.